have you ever actually tried spending your crypto like properly? Not trading, not just holding. I mean, like buying something real online with it, doing real shopping. Because I always thought that it was complicated or like you need to go through 10 steps, KYC, and all that. But apparently you don't. And this is the part that kind of surprised me, which is that you can actually shop on normal websites, like Amazon, like, H&M, and get discounts and not even deal with KYC. And it's not just for crypto people either. Like, even if your friends, they don't care about crypto or your family at all, they could still use this just to save money on stuff that they already buy anyway. So yeah, let me show you this because it's very interesting, I think. And you can see it for yourself. The website is actually called zerofiat.com. And it's basically what it does is that it lets you spend your stable coins on real websites like Amazon, Airbnb, H&M, actual platforms that I mentioned. So instead of just holding crypto and waiting, you can actually use it, which is amazing. And sometimes, even you get better prices than paying normally, which is kind of the whole point here. First thing is that you need to download the extension for your browser. So that's the only thing you need to do as a first step. It takes like, a few seconds. And once you open it, here you can see all the supported stores, basically just a list of all the websites you can shop from. Amazon, Airbnb, all of them are here in Italy, for example. So these are all the platforms that you already use anyway. And so nothing new there. And for this demo, let's just go with Amazon. So I click on Amazon and it takes me straight to the normal website. So nothing crazy there. And and I already have a product here just as an example for you. I already added it to the cart. And let's just go to proceed to checkout. Now this is where you'll notice it. You see this little logo here with the zero fiat writing on it. That's basically your option to pay with crypto. So all you do is click on it and it opens the payment step. And from here you've got, two options. One of them is you can connect to your wallet or, and confirm the payments and it's done. Or if you don't want to connect to your wallet, you can just, send it manually to the address that it gives you. You can scan the code here. And that's it. Like you're literally just shopping normally, but, paying with crypto instead. No complicated process, no switching platforms, no weird steps. And the interesting part is that you can sometimes get discounts doing it this way. Plus, there's no QIs, as I said. So it's much faster and it's much more private. And honestly, it's just more flexible in my opinion. And also another interesting feature is its referral program. You can share your referral link with friends or your audience. Whenever someone signs up using your link and starts using the platform, you earn referral rewards. And so not only can you spend crypto, you can also earn rewards by introducing others to the platform. And if your friends, they love online shopping, this can be definitely a great way for them to get discounts while you earn rewards, which is definitely a win-win situation for everyone here. And also make sure to follow Zero Fiat on Twitter. They regularly post, updates like, any kind of new websites that they added, any kind of exclusive discounts, new store integrations. So if you want to stay updated on where you can spend your crypto next, that's definitely the best place to follow for you. And also don't forget to sign up using my link, make your first purchase and get 10% cash back instantly. Just follow at Zero Fiat on X and DM them your order ID to receive the cashback in the same wallet that you used for the transaction. So yeah, honestly, tools like this make crypto actually useful in everyday life. And with the Zero Fiat mobile app launching soon, it's going to become even easier to shop using crypto. If you want to try it out, I will leave the link down in the description. Go try it yourself and see how it works. You will see for yourself how easy your life becomes with this, because then you know how to actually spend your crypto in seconds. And to be honest, it's much more simpler than using a credit card or anything like that. Then trying to find a card or whatever. It's much easier to do it this way. Yeah, I'm really curious what you guys gonna buy. Let me know in the comments what you buy first. So yeah, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.